southeastern Saline County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Galva, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McPherson, Hillsboro, Galva, Canton, Gypsum, Lincolnville, Ramona, Lehigh, Tampa, Durham, Lost Springs, Roxbury, Marion Lake, and Pilsen. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 53 and 63.